Hello, everyone, and welcome to our webinar, Save Time and Draft with Confidence Using Leap's AI Prompt Templates. Today's webinar will run in listen-only mode. My name is Kayla Brennan-Unal, and I'm the Content Development Manager for Estate Planning and Administration at Leap US. I'll be joined shortly by Aislinn Koch, a lawyer on the family law team at Leap US. We are both excited to share with you Leap's AI prompt templates and demonstrate their ability to help you save time and draft with confidence. We will start off with an overview of Leap and then show you how to access and use the library of prompts, which take on the complex task of instructing AI to create highly relevant and useful legal documents quickly. Leap is designed to handle all of your firm's matters with features including case management, billing and payment collection, trust accounting, time recording, document management and automation, and Leap comes with a suite of AI tools to make your firm even more efficient. Today, we will be talking about just one of those AI tools by using Leap's library of AI prompts to create comprehensive, matter-specific legal documents where you can chat with the document for real-time legal drafting, customization, and relevancy. Simply put, Leap's AI prompts are a guide for AI with specific instructions for creating the first draft and allowing you to continue customizing as you need. These prompts have been added to Leap's comprehensive library of automated forms and are included with your subscription. Leap's library of AI prompts can do anything from summarize complex estate planning documents, review discovery during intake, summarize complex financial documents, help you draft letters, and assist with many, many more tasks. By doing much of the fine-tuning for you, you will not have to start from scratch every time asking AI to perform more complex tasks through multiple rounds of chat. Leap's AI prompt library gives you a massive head start on creating predictable results that help you draft efficiently. The library of AI prompts can be accessed from within any Leap matter type. So let's get started with an estate planning matter. Once you are within your matter, you can navigate to the Forms and Templates button up top, which will then open up the Forms and Templates library within Leap. You can see here that we have been defaulted to the estate planning folder, as that is the matter type and jurisdiction that the matter is set to. In some matter types and jurisdictions, you will see that there is an AI prompt library shortcut. If you do not see this shortcut folder in your matter type or jurisdiction, you can simply navigate to the Practice Management folder, go to Miscellaneous, and then you will have access to the entire AI prompt library for all of the areas of law in which we currently have prompt templates available. For our purposes in this demonstration, let's go into the Estate Planning AI prompt library. In here, you can see that we have a number of different summary prompts, ranging from summarizing wills to trusts to business documents. Many of these were drafted in collaboration with the team at Wealth Counsel, so they are highly relevant to any documents that you will draft using the Leap and Wealth Counsel integration. They are also great for use on customized documents, so you can use them even if you did not draft through Wealth Counsel. For our purposes, we are going to summarize an individual revocable living trust. So we will select that prompt here. And as this prompt opens up, we can see that it does open as a Microsoft Word document in a text format. So essentially, the prompt is an instruction manual for the AI, in this case, Matter AI, to use to process, review, and draft a summary, document, letter, whatever it is we may be asking the AI to produce for us. In this situation, this is a prompt to produce an article by article summary of an individual revocable living trust. So we have asked it to generate that comprehensive list of all of the articles, as well as a specific but concise summary of each article's key terms and the language that's relevant to the client. Here we have included an example of what we would like the output to look like. Here we have it written in paragraph format with full sentences. If you prefer bullet points, this is a good place to put that into the instructions that you like it in a bullet point or other preferred format. This is a great tip if you are drafting your own prompt, which you can do using base prompts here. And now on the right-hand side in the Matter AI for Word pane, you can see the output being produced by Matter AI. It has done exactly what we wanted it to do, producing a concise summary of each article one at a time, containing all of those key provisions and language from the trust. So it is highly recommended that you review all outputs created by these prompts prior to using them. But once you have reviewed them and you are happy with the result, you can use this copy response button down here to copy the output and then move it over into any sort of document that you may want to use it in, such as a letter, an email, or even a memo. Let's go back out to the matter list and go into a probate litigation matter. So in this matter, you can imagine that you are an attorney with a newly retained client who has some concerns regarding potential undue influence over her late father in the modification of his estate plan just a few weeks prior to his passing. So to access the prompts, we will again go into the Forms and Templates library. We will go down to the Practice Management folder and into our prompt library from there. Here we'll enter the Estate Administration AI prompt library. And you can see there are a number of different prompts in here relating to an estate administration, probate, or trust administration matter. For our purposes here, we are going to use the AI prompt for summary of trust and will documents and all amendments. This prompt was drafted by an attorney who wanted to create a comparative analysis of an original estate plan document as compared to all of the subsequent modifications or amendments to it. So this is going to be highly relevant for our particular matter because we will want to compare and contrast the original and subsequently amended will documents in this matter to see if any issues of undue influence are raised. With this prompt open, we can see it is in text format. We have asked it to create some tables this time, as well as a slightly more strict outline in terms of the formatting requirements dictated by the instructions in the prompt. We'll see on the right that our prompt is being run, and we are getting a summary here being output. And you can see the summary here contains that table that we have instructed it to produce, as well as the actual summary outline in the format in which we have instructed it to produce. It has also included some key issues and recommendations, as well as follow-up questions to ask the client for further clarification in the matter. You can see down here we have, again, our references where we can see which documents located within the correspondence on the matter have been reviewed and analyzed as part of this output. Now that we have this comprehensive summary, we may want to draft a letter to the client with some of these follow-up questions and also provide a bit of a timeline and instructions on what next steps are going to look like in getting this will challenge started. Now that our letter has been drafted and we'll take a quick look to review it and make sure it looks good to go, we will simply copy it out of here. And let's go pop it into a letter to send out to our client. For our next example, let's move into a real estate matter, specifically for a residential purchase. This prompt was created by an attorney who had received an inspection report and wanted a summary of the results and the requested remedies that came out of the report, as well as remedies requested specifically by the client on top of the inspection results. And here we have our produced summary of the inspection report, as well as the requested repairs and remedies that are to be sent over to the seller's agent. One of the powerful features of Leap's AI tools is the ability to read many different types of documents that are saved into the matter. In fact, one of the documents that was read in the production of this particular prompt was a handwritten note, in which case some of the requested remedies handwritten by the client were included in this list. So you can see here a 1-year home warranty, and it is shown down here, a 1-year home warranty as part of the remedy. You can further interact with the output by selecting a specific portion for Matter AI to expand upon, regenerate, or otherwise modify. Now I'm going to hand this over to Aislinn, who's going to review some of our family law prompts.
My name is Aislinn, and I am an attorney on the family law content team here at Leap. My team is responsible for maintaining matter types, critical dates, and the library of forms and templates specifically for family law. One of the latest developments my team has been working on is to develop a comprehensive AI prompt templates library. These AI prompt templates have been developed by family law experts and have been designed to help you create matter-specific drafts in a fraction of the time. Examples of AI prompt templates currently available are summaries of assets and liabilities for state-specific financial statements, letters to close out a divorce matter, an outline of a divorce trial brief, and more. Now let's dive into a demonstration of these AI prompt templates specifically for family law. To access this AI prompt templates library, you will navigate to the Forms and Templates library and select Family Law AI Prompt Library. Within this, you will see a general AI prompt library and, if applicable, a state-specific library as well. For this demonstration, I will select the General Family Law AI Prompt Library and utilize the prompt summarizing childcare expenses. This prompt will help you save time by not having to search through a plethora of documents saved to your matter by creating a succinct first draft for your review. You will see that at the bottom of the response, a list of references will appear, which list out all the documents Matter AI used to draft this response.
Creating AI prompts is as simple as typing instructions into a Word document. Feel free to get started today using our existing prompt library and modifying them to make them your own. There is no additional cost to use these, and you can expect to see continuous improvements and additions to the library. We even invite you to review prompts from other areas of law, which can give you ideas for creating prompts that are relevant to your practice and your workflow, and make creating that first draft even more efficient.
This concludes today's webinar. We hope you found value in today's session. If you are interested in learning more about Leap's AI Prompt Templates Library, please visit leap.us/AI-prompts to learn more. If you are a current Leap user, please visit Leap's Help Center. We thank everyone for joining us today and look forward to seeing you next time.